Hey, roll that out of here. Let's go. Y'all got it.
I'm Tom Cartwright. I'm the coordinator of the pumpkin patch.
Well, Mr. Tom Cartwright over here approached us about this idea a few years ago.
We're trying to figure what's a good way to raise money for the athletic program and not having to sell things that we may not use.
The money will help us a lot. We'll get a good percentage of the funds from selling them here. We are here raising money for all the athletics. We had a bunch of teams out here today just supporting the Jacket Nation and just unloading pumpkins.
You can look around and see all the teams that are here. We have basketball, we have cross country, we have track, we have baseball, we have softball. I mean, and earlier today, football was here. I hope I didn't miss any team. If I did, thanks for being here.
So we decided to do something that we could have a bigger patch each year. I have inflatables coming this year. We've got photo opportunities with the little cutouts you stick your head in. Basic pumpkins that you see here, as well as the ornamental pumpkins, 2,800. As well as these pumpkins over here, you're looking probably over 5,000 total.
Mr. Tom is amazing. He got a Shining Apple Award for this last year, and maybe it will be a repeat.
I heard that he slept in his car a couple nights, and I heard that we had to bring him out some food.
Well, what we did, and last year Mr. Tom slept out in the pumpkin patch over at Tractor Supply all the time. So at least this year we did move it a little bit closer to his house, which is right up the hill here. So he won't have as far to go home to take a shower and eat a bite.
Yes, sir. With the inventory level as it is, and with the potential of be it vandalism, I don't think nobody could steal this many pumpkins, but just for that reason, I wanted to stay and protect our spoils.
I owe a lot of this to Mr. Tom Cartwright over here, who gives his time and effort for doing this.
He really gives it his all, like bringing all these pumpkins out here and giving us the opportunity.
It's something that I wanted to do to give back to the community, and we love Fairview.